Well, good morning. Here we are with not much of a view today, but they're going like gangbusters. We've got clouds from the storm system all the stretching all the way up here, and these bastards are just going to town anyway. Just fill it up with more aluminum, more toxins. Come on, yeah. So you X'd us out, you bastards. Man, oh man. Alright, so let's just take a look. Just the tip of the cloud bands again. I couldn't find it before, but I see the moon now. There it is. Very difficult to see this morning. What is it, about 68% or so? Gosh, I can barely make it out. I've already tried zooming into the sun. I can't see any sunspots. But alright. But we're gonna try again. Oh my God, this X's and spots, and alright, now that's not gonna work. Yeah, I can't even see the sun with the solar filter on. Darn. Not gonna. That would be it right there. Maybe it'll peek out for a second or two. Well, I hope everybody's doing well after all these storms passed. And if there's any damage, it's just a few limbs down. There's a lot of people throughout this whole world who did some amazing work in that storm. It was all of us that made a difference. It really did. To take it from possibly one of the world's worst catastrophes, as they were trying to build this fucker up to with some weird anomalies. It was a miracle. And we did that. All of us, we created that. With our intention, we didn't feed the fear. We did something about it. It was amazing. We are. Well, I can barely see through the clouds, so I don't know. I might just be lucky to have got these two lit things in the sky. You can take your chemtrails and just bugger off on off into another system. My God, I actually hear a train while I'm out here. I haven't heard a train, my God, from my backyard for years. That's amazing. Well, right as I was packing up, I was about to head in, and it got brighter out here, so I looked up and got blinded, so I knew I had a shot at something. Not the greatest view, but hey, we can at least see a spot. So the moon's already been taken out. I can't even get any still pictures of it, so oh well. Instead of starting the video again, I'll just insert this portion. Not like this is much of a difference, but oh my. Screwed up skies we got. Yeah, just what we need is Xing out of chemtrails in a sky like this. So prepping it for something, aren't you? Look at the scalar waves or whatever the hell they are. Like a washboard. My lens cap fell on the ground, so remind me to get it. Alrighty, the little ones are up to some antics, so on this wavy washboard note, I'm going to wish you all a wonderful day, a safe one, and wish you all well. Take care. Hope to see you later. Bye for now.